For those new to 3D modeling, several websites offer excellent starting points. One option is Tinkercad, an intuitive web-based software designed for absolute beginners. It focuses on creating simple 3D models through geometric shapes. Another choice is BlockBench, an open-source 3D voxel modeling tool suitable for both beginners and game developers. This platform allows the creation of 3D models pixel by pixel. Sculptris provides free 3D sculpting software that imitates traditional sculpting techniques, featuring an easy-to-use interface with intuitive brush tools. While Lynda offers a versatile and professional-grade open-source option for 3D modeling, animation, and rendering, it comes with a steeper learning curve but delivers comprehensive features. SketchUp is a popular web-based 3D modeling tool known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it ideal for architectural and interior design. To enhance learning, several tutorial and learning resources are available. Lynda is a paid subscription-based platform offering comprehensive tutorials on 3D modeling and animation. Udemy is an online marketplace with a wide range of courses on 3D modeling, catering to all skill levels from beginner to advanced. YouTube is another valuable resource. Searching for tutorials on 3D modeling for beginners or specific software can provide ample guidance. Tips for beginners include starting with simple projects, practicing regularly to improve skills, and joining online communities and forums for support and inspiration. Remember to experiment and make mistakes as part of the learning process. Choose a software that aligns with individual learning styles and project goals. Getting started in 3D modeling involves selecting the right tools and resources. Tinkercad is a great choice for those who prefer a simple, geometric approach. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create 3D models without prior experience. BlockBench is ideal for users interested in voxel-based modeling, which is commonly used in game development. The ability to create models pixel by pixel gives users precise control over their designs. Sculptris offers a unique approach to 3D modeling by simulating traditional sculpting techniques. Its intuitive brush tools allow users to shape and mold virtual clay, making it a fun and engaging way to learn the basics of 3D sculpting. While Blender is a more advanced software, it is a powerful tool for creating complex 3D models, animations, and renders. Its comprehensive features make it suitable for professional projects, but beginners may find the learning curve challenging. SketchUp is a popular choice for architectural and interior design due to its user-friendly interface and focus on creating accurate and detailed models. Its web-based platform makes it accessible from any device with an internet connection. To supplement software learning, online tutorials and courses can be invaluable. Lynda offers a wide range of tutorials on 3D modeling and animation, covering various software and techniques. The subscription-based platform provides structured learning paths and expert instruction. Udemy is another great resource for online courses, with a vast selection of options catering to different skill levels and interests. Whether users are looking for a beginner's guide to 3D modeling or an advanced course on a specific software, Udemy has something for everyone. YouTube is a free and readily available resource for 3D modeling tutorials. By searching for specific software or techniques, users can find countless videos demonstrating how to create 3D models. Remember to start with simple projects to build confidence and gradually increase complexity. Consistent practice is essential for improving 3D modeling skills, so dedicate time each day or week to work on projects. Joining online communities and forums can provide support, inspiration, and feedback. Sharing work with others and asking questions can accelerate the learning process. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes, as this is a natural part of learning. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new and improve skills. Choose a software that aligns with personal learning style and project goals. Some people prefer a simple, intuitive interface, while others prefer a more feature-rich and customizable environment. Consider the types of projects that are of interest and choose a software that is well suited for those tasks. With the right tools and resources, anyone can learn 3D modeling and create amazing things. Whether users are interested in designing products, creating animations, or building virtual worlds, 3D modeling offers endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. To recap, when choosing 3D modeling software as a beginner, consider the following factors. Firstly, the ease of use. Opt for software with an intuitive interface and beginner-friendly tools. Secondly, the features offered. Choose software that provides the necessary features for the types of projects that are of interest. Thirdly, the learning resources available. Look for software with ample tutorials, documentation, and online support. Fourthly, the cost. Some software is free, while others require a subscription or one-time purchase. Consider the budget when making a decision. Fifthly, the compatibility. Ensure that the software is compatible with the computer's operating system and hardware. Finally, the community support. Join online communities and forums to connect with other users and get help with any questions or issues. By considering these factors, beginners can choose the right 3D modeling software to start their journey into the world of 3D design. Remember that the best software is the one that feels most comfortable and intuitive to use. Don't be afraid to try out different options and see which one works best. With patience, practice, and the right tools, anyone can master the art of 3D modeling. The key to success is to start with the basics and gradually build skills over time. As users become more comfortable with the software, they can explore more advanced features and techniques. And don't forget to have fun and let creativity flow. 3D modeling is a powerful tool for bringing ideas to life, so embrace the opportunity to create something amazing. In summary, to reiterate some key aspects, starting with Tinkercad can offer ease of use. This platform is specifically designed for beginners and is a browser-based application. This allows the user to not have to worry about downloads or installs. Another choice is BlockBench for a beginner-friendly software, but it is a desktop app. This program uses the method of using voxels. Voxels are simply three-dimensional pixels, like the square pixels we see in our everyday smart devices. Sculptris by Pixelogic offers a free and simplified introduction to the world of digital sculpting. Sculptris provides an accessible entry point for aspiring digital artists. Then there is Blender, which may be too overwhelming for beginners. However, the advantage to using Blender is its capacity to do just about everything. And lastly, SketchUp is a web-based software and is very intuitive to use. SketchUp can do most of the work that one can expect from computer-aided design. Overall, there are many choices for 3D modeling, and it comes down to preference. As long as the user finds enjoyment out of the program they use, then they will have success.